Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from National Highways Logistic Management Limited. You can see this detail on the official website of NHLML. Okay, here you can see they are going to recruit graduate engineer trainee in civil, electronics and communication and mechanical. Let's see the detailed advertisement. So here I can see the detailed advertisement. So first of all, National Highways Logistic Management Limited (NHLML) is a 100% owned company of NHAI, National Highway Authority of India. Okay, so they are inviting the applications for appointment on contract basis on direct roles for the following position. Which one? Graduate engineer trainee, civil, EC and mechanical. Number of vacancies are 22, 2 and 4 respectively. Okay, so first of all, what position they will give you, they mention here. So position shall be on the level of assistant manager. Okay, pay scale will be 30,000 to 1,20,000. This is on the contract basis for the 5 year. In this duration of 5 year, you will get all the other benefits also, HRA, DA perks, all benefits will be also available. Okay, including, and plus you will get this pay scale also. Now, what is the criteria? They will recruit on the basis of GATE scorecard. Yes, the applicants need to hold valid GATE examination score of which year? 22, 23, and 24. So this is a direct recruitment, but a contact basis recruitment for the minimum 5 year. They can extend it later also. Okay, on the basis of GATE 22, 23, 24 scorecard, they will shortlist you for the interview. Okay, let's see the details more. So as I told you, upon successful completion of probation, that is fulfilling the required performance related, okay, so they shall be placed at the deputy manager. After assistant manager, you will get the post of DM, deputy manager. Pay scale will be 40,000 to 1,40,000. They mention here, okay. So with the extension of probation for the 6 month or else their service likely to be. So whatever it is. Now, what the important thing is application opening date. It's already started from the 11th October, today the 16th October, but the closing date for applications is 8th November. You can fill it. Now, how to fill? For filling, you need to click on this one. If you will click on this one, then you can go to the next website and you can apply directly. So it is mentioned only online applications shall be considered. So you can go on this one and you can fill the form. What is essential qualification? The requirement is BE BTech in the required degree. Which one? Mechanical, civil and electronics with the minimum 65% marks plus GATE scorecard of 22, 23 or 24 is required. Okay. And now the next is age limit. Upper age limit is 30 year. It is mentioned upper age limit candidate applying for the general EWS category. So it should not be more than 30 years. For other categories, they mention the relaxation. You can see and you can check it. GATE examination criteria clearly mentioned कि parameter is a GATE and interview. The weightage is 90% for the GATE, marks out of 100 and interview will be having 10% weightage. So candidate shortlisted for interview shall be required to submit the document whatever is required. But remember the GATE scorecard is of 22, 23 and 24 is required only bachcho. Okay. So other details they mention, you can check it out here. And I think this is clear. Enumeration they mention clearly ki beside the basic pay, the employee is entitled to DHRA, all the other benefits also you will get here. So they mention the form also you need to fill and you can go there. Before the last date is 8th November, you can fill the form. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of videos. Thank you.